Hello people, how are you? So in this video we will talk about the recent current issue that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey says that learning how to earn user trust. He is saying this, and he is the Twitter CEO, and he says that he is fighting for misinformation. So in this video we will talk about this in detail, that what is CEO Jack Dorsey saying. Now Twitter CEO is Jack Dorsey. So recently in his remarks to the US Senate committee, he said that the company, that is the Twitter, continues to learn how to earn the trust of its user by taking steps to limit misinformation on its platform. Now Dorsey is saying that we applied labels to add context and limit risks of election misinformation because the public told us they wanted us to take these steps. I just quote what Dorsey had said, but nowadays we can see all over the world that is fake news which was provided by the the social media giants like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram or whatever. So recently Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said that no bias on platform against conservatives. Now why he is saying such kind of thing? Now Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said in remarks prepared for a Senate hearing that the social networks filtering during the recent US election campaign was not a sign of bias despite claims to be the contrary of the conservatives. Now if we see the recent 2020 US election, we can see that the significant enhancement of various policy of the social media giants have increased so much, and so much hatred we can see in this recent US election throughout the social media. We have seen many kinds of misinformation and harmful elements which was spreading like a bullet train in this situation in USA and throughout the world, because these social media giants like Facebook, Twitter, they don't control this misinformation system. They know such kind of things is happening, but they don't take the proper action against it. That's the main fault. Now Dorsey has maintained that the filtering is not the result of bias against conservatives, despite these claims to the contrary by the President Donald Trump and his allies. Now this Twitter platform has begun limiting the reach of many of the Trump tweets. Recently we have seen this, that notably those in which the president rejected his electoral loss or questioned the integrity of this voting process. See, now this Twitter and Facebook has been facing the pressure to remove what many see as harmful misinformation around the election. That various kind of political views, we can say, some are spreading hatred on the highest level, but this Facebook, Twitter don't try to take proper actions against it. They are watching this, but they are not trying to take any strong action against it. Dorsey along with the Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg were scheduled to appear remotely at the hearing before the Senate Judiciary Committee, and this committee chair Senator Lindsey Graham called this session to address what he called the censorship and suppression of news article. Now at the hailing of this 2020 US election by this platform. Now Graham said the panel would notably address the decision by both of the social platforms like Facebook and Twitter to limit the circulation of the New York Post articles that claim to have exposed malfeasance by the Democrat Joe Biden ahead of this election victory. See, we people throughout the world now are using this Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever social media is on the market, but they have to take the responsibility, right? Unless and until they are taking proper responsibility about misinformation, about hatred, so it will be a biggest threat to humanity, not only this US, UK or India or many other countries. This is against our humanity, and in future this social media giant becomes so powerful that they can get immense power to topple any government or form any government in any country. So we have to take these things in our mind very clearly and take steps against it. Don't know what will happen in future, but we have to think about it, and let's see what will happen. And I'm sure that the democratic country will take action against it, like whatever is European Union is taking, that they wants to regulate the social media giants, that they got recent immense power in their country, so they want to regulate it. Let's see what will happen. So in this video we are talking about Twitter, and in the next video we'll talk about another topic. So if you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends, and in the next video we'll talk about another topic. Tata.